Shopify reclaims Canada's top spot as TSX hits all-time high. Canada's stock market enjoyed a milestone week as the S&P TSX Composite Index reached a new record close, with Shopify reclaiming its title as the country's most valuable publicly traded company. On Wednesday, August 6, 2025, the TSX ended at 27,920.87 points, up 1.3%, its largest two-day advance since October 2022. By the end of the week, the index had risen 738 points, plus 2.73%, notching its best weekly gain in nearly a year. The benchmark now stands 24.9% higher than a year ago and is up 12.3% year-to-date. The rally was fueled primarily by a surge in the technology sector, spearheaded by Shopify's outstanding Q2 results. Shares in the e-commerce leader jumped 21.5% in a single session, boosting its market value to about $275 billion and pushing it ahead of the Royal Bank of Canada to retake the number one spot. Shopify reported quarterly revenue of $268 billion, and BR 31% year-over-year. Gross profit of $1.3 billion, bounced 24%, and net income of $906 million, a remarkable 419% increase. Gross merchandise volume climbed to $87.8 billion, plotted 31%, with European sales growing at an exceptional 42% pace. Market sentiment was also lifted by firm commodity prices that supported materials and energy stocks, alongside renewed hopes for a U.S. Federal Reserve rate cut in September, and gains across multiple sectors. Shopify's ability to thrive, despite its limited exposure to new U.S. trade measures, and its continued push into innovation, including AI tool integration and partnerships with OpenAI and Coinbase, further strengthened investor optimism. Shopify previously held the top valuation spot in 2020 before being overtaken by RBC, and its return to the lead now draws attention to whether it can sustain this position over time. With Q3 revenue growth expected in the mid to high 20% range, and broader market conditions influenced by central bank policy decisions and trade developments, the second half of 2025 is likely to bring continued shifts and notable activity across Canada's markets.
That's all for today's update. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth market analysis. See you next time.